In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a customer refund in Xero. If a customer returns goods or you've overcharged them, the cleanest way to handle it in Xero is to raise a credit note and then record the cash you're sending back. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and what to look out for so your books stay accurate. From your Xero dashboard, go to Sales, then open Invoices. This brings you to your receivables list, where you can create the paperwork for the refund. Choose New Credit Note. Think of the credit note as the official reversal of part or all of the original sale. Check the date at the top and align it with when the refund is being agreed so reports and aging look right. Start by selecting the customer contact. Be sure it's the same customer as the original invoice, so statements, histories, and reports remain consistent. Enter a clear reference for the credit note. A short reason, return number, or internal ticket works great and makes audits and customer conversations easier later on. Now select the item you're crediting. If the refund is partial, adjust the quantity, unit price, and tax to reflect exactly what's being reversed. If you don't use the inventory items, you can still add a descriptive line and choose the same revenue account used on the original sale. If you track categories or locations, mirror those too, so your analytics stay accurate. Double check totals and tax treatment to ensure they match what you intend to refund. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approval posts the credit into your accounts so you can pay it out. It's worth pausing here to confirm the contact, date, amount, and tax, as approved documents form part of your official records. With the credit note approved, click Add Cash Refund. This is where you record the money going back to the customer. Select the account you're paying from, typically your bank account. Choose the exact account the cash will leave to keep reconciliation smooth. Confirm the date and the amount, especially if you're refunding only part of the credit. Enter a reference for the refund transaction as well. A bank transaction ID, card reference, or a short note about the method helps you or your accountant trace the movement later. Finally, click Add to save the refund. Xero now marks the credit note as refunded and creates a transaction from the account you selected. When your bank feed brings in the outgoing payment, Xero should suggest a match to this refund, making reconciliation quick and accurate. And that's it. Create and approve the credit note, add the cash refund, and you're all set.